So I'm going to show you an entire process how I was able to make $60 in basically about 10 minutes or even less just doing a simple little task. So I'm going to share my screen, and as you can see right down here, I did something for a voice. So someone needed my voice and I recorded it, and once I recorded it, they just sent me money into my PayPal account and I was able to generate $60. But what if you could do this over and over again and start making a lot of money and it start accumulate? So make sure you like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, I'm going to share with you. This is not about affiliate marketing. This is not about network marketing. You don't need to chase friends or family to do this method. I'm even going to show you the email and the entire process. So just watch this entire thing all the way to the end, and you're going to see how you're able to generate anywhere from $60 to at least $250, $260, or even $300 very quickly and very easy. So here's the email that was wrote. They sent me this email, so I'm going to zoom in. I'm not going to show the email address for privacy reasons, but look here. This is male voice. All I had to do was I had to just read this out. What are you looking for on the internet? So I have to say it in a particular way. I spoke to the lady who said, Andre, this is the stuff that I need. They also needed a female voice, and I reached out to my cousin and she did the female section. So she did the female section, I did the male section. And what these companies do, they take both voices, they edit it, and they put it together where in some form of like a conversation. So it was three message. They needed a child. I didn't have a child, so I'm assuming they went and they do that. So it was about COVID and all of that kind of stuff. But there was three messages that I had to read out, and I was able to make money just by doing that. So it didn't take me long. I actually recorded on my phone, and I used my phone. I used my phone and I did it. And guess where I recorded it? I use WhatsApp to record it. If you don't know what WhatsApp is, it's a communication app that you can use between two parties once you have the other person's number. So I recorded it and sent it as a voice message. So I sent it as a voice message. The person took it, they edited it, and they sent it back to me, and I recorded it. And I was like, wow, what did they do to make it so cool? So that's what I'm going to share with you in this video, how you could do this and set it up and make money. Now, the website that I'm talking about, this website is called SEO Clerk. So SEO Clerk is a website that has a lot of different services that you can have on here that you can basically use and you can make money. So what are we going to be doing? We're going to be searching for voice, right? So I'm going to be searching for voiceover. So once I type in voiceover here, you could see that there's lots of people doing voiceover and they're making money. Perfect example. This person right here is looking for quality voiceover, guaranteed. $15. There's $20. There's $5. There's $80. There's $5, 10, 50, and the list goes on and on and on. So there's not many competition on SEOclerk.com, because on SEOclerk.com the competition is not high and you can do your service. Now, some of you are not native language speaking, and it doesn't matter. You don't have to worry about that, because I'm going to give you this free tool that you can use where it could do all the work for you. So if you don't want to speak and if you're not comfortable of speaking, that's totally okay. You're still going to be able to make this type of money into your PayPal account. So once you set up your gig, just sign up, come over here and click on where it says join. Put a username, put an email address, make sure your password, and make sure that you confirm your password. You don't want to use an email address that you don't check very often, because you want to make sure it's valid and it's legit and everything. So once you sign up, you could sell your services on here. So you could sell a service by clicking on this where it says sell a service, and you can upload, you can get one of these pictures from Google, and you could just type it out exactly what you want, and you could put whatever price that you think you're worth. If you want to start at $20, $15, $30. This adds up. It adds up pretty quickly, and you'd be surprised that you make $200 just by not putting in too much work, right? So once you do that, you want to head on over to this particular website that is called video.co. And what video.co do, they can give you in various different languages if you want. So let's say if you want somebody from Japan, you need a Japan person that's going to speak English, you could say, I want to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Of course, this is going to be in English, so let's listen and see how it is.
I want to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Okay, see? So this person is a Japanese speaker. Her name is Cheryl. And this is royalty-free information that you could use, because once you do that, you could download it right here. And then once you download it, you could upload it. Now, I don't know how long of a length that they give you for free. So it's a free software until later on you could sign up and you could do that. Now, let's say I want to find somebody in US. Let's go with Tom. Let's say the person said, I need a male voice and it has to be in US. Now listen to this.
I want to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
See? I want to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let me change. I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now this is in English. What if I want to find an English Lisa? What if it's a female voice? Listen to it.
I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
See, pretty cool. Now, what if you want to get someone who speaks English but also from Australia, and this guy name is Mike?
I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Perfect. So as you could see, that it gives you different voices. So what you could do, instead of you worrying about, okay, well, I need to come up with, perfect English. I don't know how to speak English perfectly. That's totally cool. Just go here, sign up, and when they give you the work, you're going to come on over here. You're going to take exactly what they do. So let's say if I go back here to this particular, let me just copy this, right? I'm going to copy this and I'm going to go back over to this free website and then I listen to it.
What are you looking for on the internet?
See that? What are you looking for on the internet?
What are you looking for on the internet?
And then what I'll do, you could speed it up if you want. You could speed it up or you can just download it. Download it. You could give it to the person, whoever wants it. And guess what? You're going to be making money. So you can consistently do this over and over again. But this is not the only website. SEO Clerk is not the only website. You can come over here to People Per Hour. So go to peopleperhour.com. You could sign up for absolutely free just by clicking on here. And then once you click on here, you could say, hey, I want to become I want to hire a freelancer or I want to work as a freelancer. You could sign up with your Facebook or with your email. So of course, you want to work. So look on here. You can even make more money just by being on here. This person is getting $90, $25, $80, $120, $80, $15. So you can put whatever price that you want because guess what? They're willing to pay you X amount of dollars for the work. And then once you do that and you put your picture up on there, guess what? You can come on over here and find whichever voice that they're looking for. So you can either create it yourself by recording it, or you could just let this system do the work for you. So that's how you be able to get a lot of gigs. You can also come over to quickandgigs.com. It is the same process because Quick and Gigs, if you type in voiceover and then you click on search, once you go voiceover and search, after you do that, guess what's going to happen? You could see here that you can create automated, and this is video and everything, but we're looking for voiceover. That's what we're looking for. So there will be voiceovers as an edit, mix, master your audio. This person is charging $40. This person said, I'll record a male Spanish voiceover. And even in your native language as well, you can create this and people will reach out to you and you can make money. So I hope this video helped. I wanted to share this with you to just show you some proof that I've done it myself. I've made money with it. And this is the email that I was sent to me. And for privacy reasons, I don't want to show the email and everything. And I didn't want to show you like the address on the PayPal account. But it was 60 bucks that I made. It was the quickest $60 that I've made. I got the 60 bucks and I said, wow, I could do this over and over again and make money consistently. So you could do that and you can make way over $200, $300 just by doing this. So make sure you like, subscribe, become a part of the family, and let me know, if you did enjoy this video, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and keep subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.